Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the FJ again. If you saw in one of my most recent videos, we changed out the headlights here. It looks super badass in my opinion. My wife likes it. I guess that's all that really matters, right? And what I'm going to be doing is now I'm just going to simply show you how to change out the lights on the side mirrors because they're yellow and they're ugly. So this is what I got. So it's the iJDMtoy.com LEDs with these side mirrors here. And I could be wrong, but I am pretty sure that there's just really one kind of like plastic like pop screw kind of holding it in, and then on the top I think there's two plastic clips. So I'm going to gently try to pop that out without breaking it for you guys, and then from there I believe I'm just literally plug and play putting these bolts in. So obviously going to be doing both sides, so hopefully this helps you guys out and helps you change yours as well. Alright guys, so all you're going to do with this mirror is, I literally just did it, and it's very easy and it takes very little pressure. So again, you have like kind of a few pop clips underneath. I think there was 3, and then up top there's 2 plastic pieces that are kind of shaped, I guess like U-shaped, right? So you got to like kind of pull down and then out. If you just pop this out and pull out, they're gonna break, which obviously you don't want to do. So what I did was, and I should really just have you guys on my head so you guys can just watch me do it. So one hand up here, kind of hold the mirror back, and then another hand right here, just kind of under the mirror, and you're just literally lightly gonna pop it out. I could honestly probably do it right now, but I prefer not to break the mirror just in case. But yeah, very light, it comes right out, and then you're just gonna kind of pull down and out, and then I'll show you what it accesses. All right, so you can see, so literally you got the bulb right here that we're going to be replacing, so very easy to access. And then on the mirror here, you could see those are those U-shaped plastic pieces geez, that I was talking about, and they're going to go back in under these 2 areas here, and then these just kind of pop back into place onto those pieces of plastic there. So very simple, like I said, not a lot of pressure at all. I'm just going to simply replace the bulb right now and pop this back in, do it on the other side, and yeah, we're good to go. So hopefully this was pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I will show you replacing the bulb just so you can see what it looks like, but if there are any other issues I'll make sure to let you know as well. So pretty easy. All right, so there you go, the LED bulb is in. You literally just grab the old one just kind of by the head and just pull it out. Take the LED, geez man, I'm struggling today, and just pop it in place. Let me actually show you the difference. So here is the old one. All right, literally just grabbed it by the head, pulled it out, and then here are the new ones. So let me just bundle this all up. I'll do the other side, and let's see what it looks like. So alright guys, sorry I got the hood up so it's a little loud, but just so you could see, so it's got the super white with a little bit of a blue tint going on there, as opposed to the original, which is 1, you could barely see it, and 2, it's yellow. So like I said, just gonna do this side. Hopefully this helped you guys out. Very simple, very easy thing to do, and yeah, thanks for stopping in. So if you liked the video, please like, subscribe. Ton of content with not only this car but a couple others as well too. So appreciate all the support. Thanks guys, see you guys in the next one.